Hello everyone, welcome to Kanchipuram VRK Silks live show. Our Kanchipuram VRK Silks is 2 decades old trusted brand and especially known for variety of designs in different collections. And we have a name for purest and finest silks in the entire fashion industry. And yes, we have more than 36 plus showrooms all across South India. So today I am here to present budget friendly sarees. So without any delay, let's get started. So here I am wearing a very pretty saree. See, it's navy blue with pink color combination. And this saree has got a very big booties here, as you can see here, all over the body. These are Rudraksha designer booties. And see the border, it's an open border with core contrast pink color. And here is the pretty pallu in contrast color. And also it is rich with golden zari checks design. And this saree has got a pink color plain blouse, and the item code to get this saree is LV2500 and weaver's price is 10,450 rupees. Now let's check out other sarees. Yeah, here we got another beautiful saree. See how pretty it is. And this saree has got a very beautiful design on the body. It's in cream color. And see the booties. It's a golden zari mango with meena work booties. Looks pretty. And here we have a contrast border for the saree in pink color. And the pallu. It's a pink color designer pallu, rich in golden zari design, that is floral design. Here you can see. And finally the blouse here, it's a contrast one with a beautiful combination. It's a pink color plain blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3276 and weaver's price is 9,950 rupees. Next saree. So here we have Rani pink color saree. As I told you, these are budget friendly sarees with a low price, and this saree has got all over golden zari Rudraksha booties. See, small Rudraksha booties. And here is the border, pretty border. It's a golden zari baby pink color designer border. And the pallu, pressy one designer pallu. And when it comes to the blouse, the saree has a very beautiful one here. See, in the contrast color, that is beige color, and it's plain with border. So the item code for this pretty saree is LV3270 and weaver's price is 9,950 rupees. So if you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is just take the screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9696669966. Next saree. So here we have another one. It's a mango yellow color with peacock green color combination. See, very great combination. And this saree has got all over copper zari designer booties, very small booties. And see the border, very unique one. It's in contrast color for the saree. And see the design on it. It has got a Rudraksha as well as Kairi booties design on the border. And the pallu, contrast glorious rich pallu. And the blouse in peacock green color, that is contrast color for the saree, and it's plain with border. And the item code to get this saree is LV3275 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. Wow, here we got a double shade color saree. See, it's a greyish blue, and all over it has got medium sized designer booties with silver zari. And see the border, contrast color with designer with silver zari floral design. You can see here. And see the pallu here. It has got a different color here, orange color, rich in silver zari design. And the blouse is also in orange color here, see, but it's plain with border. Very pretty one. So the item code is LV3272 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have got another beautiful one. It's in orange color with combination pink color. See the design on the body. Very pretty one. It has got golden zari small booties, very small booties. See, and the border, contrast color rani pink color, golden zari design border. And this saree has got an impressive pallu here. See, it is rich with golden zari design. And when it comes to the blouse, it has a contrast one. It's a rani pink color, plain blouse with border. And the item code to get this saree is LV3326 and weaver's price is 10,950 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another budget friendly saree. See, the very low price and the lightweight also and very easy to carry. See, it's a peach color in combination with royal blue color. All over the body it has got golden zari buttas, and see the border. This border looks very ethnic. See the design on it looks very unique, and this is in royal blue color. And the pallu, it's a golden zari laharia designer pallu. And finally the blouse, it has got a very beautiful one here. It's in royal blue color, that is contrast color for the saree, and it's a self waving blouse with border. And the item code to get this saree is LV3277 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees. Next saree. Here we have a beautiful color saree. See the color, it's a very pretty color, and all over the body it has got golden zari designer booties. See the design and the border here, very impressive border, looks very unique. It's a self golden zari designer border. Also you can see here magenta color core edge here, and it has a self pallu with self design, and the blouse here contrast one, and see the color combination, very pretty, and it's plain with this beautiful border. And the item code to purchase the saree is LV3258 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees only. Next saree. Wow, here we have a black saree, very beautiful saree. See, it is in combination with dark green color, and this saree has got a small floral booties all over the body with golden zari. See, and a very small border here. It's a pleat border, but it is in contrast color, that is dark green color. See how impressive it looks with this combination, dark green and black color combination. And see the pallu, contrast one, rich in golden zari design, and the blouse, this is also in contrast color. It's a dark green, plain with border. So the item code to get this beautiful saree is LV3278 and weaver's price is 11,950 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful one. It's in blue color, and as you can see, it has a big designer booties on the body with gold and silver zari as well. And see the border, it has got a plate border and contrast pallu here, and the blouse is also in contrast color. See here, it's a peach pink color and it's plain with border. And the item code is LV2645 and weaver's price is 9,950 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another saree. As I told you, these are all budget friendly sarees with a very low price. See, this is peach color and all over it has got a very impressive design. See the designer booties, it's a golden zari designer booties, and light pink color golden zari designer border, and it has got a pretty pallu here. It's in beige color, that is contrast color for the saree, and it is in rich with golden zari design. And here is the blouse. It's a plain in contrast color for the saree with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV3255 and weaver's price is 8,950 rupees. Next saree. Wow, here we have a blue color saree. This fabric is very smooth, and see the design on the body. It has got a very beautiful design. It's a golden zari with resham weaving designer booties, and see the border. It's a simple small border, looks classic. It's a kaddi border. Wow, see the pallu, got a very pretty pallu in contrast, that is green color, and the blouse here, it's a contrast one with plain with border. And the item code is LV2486 and weaver's price is 11,945 rupees. Next saree. Wow, this is amazing saree we have here. See the color combination, it's a great color combination, red and royal blue color combination, and this saree has got all over golden zari peacock and leafy buttas. In the border, purple color golden zari kairi booties designer border. And here we have a beautiful pallu for the saree. It's in royal blue color, rich in design. And finally, the blouse is also in royal blue color, but it's plain with border. And the item code is LV3254 and weaver's price is 8,990 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful one, and as you can see, it's in green color, and this saree has got gold and silver zari designer booties. See, and the border, silver zari kaddi border. It has got a very designer pallu here, see, in contrast color, and the blouse is also in contrast color. Here see, it's in pink color and it's plain with border. Very beautiful one, goes very well with the saree, and the item code is LV2647 and weaver's price is 7,990 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have a Hindi green with peach color combination. Very rare combination, I can say. And see the saree design. All over it has got silver zari leafy buttas. See, and a pretty impressive border here. It's in silver zari with kari buttas and also plate design. And see the pallu. It's in pink color, rich in design with golden zari. And finally the blouse. Looks very attractive. See, it's a pink color plain blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3253 and Vivo's price is 10,950 rupees. Next one. So here we have another one. See, it's in red with sea blue color combination, and all over it's plain, but it has a big booties here. See, with golden zari, big circle, jal waving booties, and see here it has an open border and a very pretty pallu, contrast color, that is sea blue color, designer rich pallu. It has a plain blouse here, but it is in contrast color. See, very simple and elegant saree, and are also easy to carry, and these are budget friendly sarees. So the item code to get this saree is LV2488 and Vivo's price is 6,990 rupees. Next saree. So here we have light green color saree, and see the design. It's a pretty unique design, isn't it? It has got fancy motifs design. See this umbrella design and the open border here. It has a self resham waving pallu. It has got very beautiful design, intricate design, and it has a plain blouse. Very smooth fabric, and the item code is LV2377 and Vivo's price is 9,995 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another saree. It's a dual shade. See, it's in peach color, and all over the body it has got golden zari meena buttas and a attractive border here. It's in magenta color with golden zari design, and see the pallu, very beautiful. It's a designer rich pallu, and here is the blouse. It's in magenta color, it's plain with border. It is in contrast color for the saree. See, very beautiful. And the item code is LV3279 and Vivo's price is 11,950 rupees only. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another one. It's cream with peach color. As I told you, these are all budget friendly sarees. Here we have another one with all over silver zari peacock design on the body, and a border in peach color with silver zari elephant, peacock and kairi design, and also it has a plate design as well. And see the pallu, very attractive. It's in contrast color for the saree, that is peach color with the rich and silver zari design. And finally the blouse here, it's a plain with border in contrast color for the saree. And the item code is LV2625 and Vivo's price is 10,950 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another one. We are seeing a very beautiful sarees with a low price today. See, I have got another beautiful one here. It's with grey and blue color combination, and see it has a square design, square designer booties all over the body, very unique design. And the border in contrast color, it's a plate with diamond cut work. And also it has a golden zari booties as well on the border. And here we have a very beautiful pallu. It's a diamond cut design. And see the blouse. It's a contrast color for the saree, suits very well, and it's plain with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV0967 and weaver's price is 8,990 rupees. Next one. So here we have another one. It's in green color, and you can see all over it has got a copper zari small drop booties with step by step design. See here. And see the borders. All these sarees have very beautiful borders. You can see here, see, it has got copper zari checks with peacock, elephant as well as rudraksha design in it. And here we have a beautiful pallu in blue color with copper zari design. And see the blouse. It's a self blouse with contrast color, and also it has the same border here. See, it has elephant, peacock as well as rudraksha design in the border. Very beautiful one, and the item code to get this saree is LV3257 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another one. It's reddish pink color. And see, it has got leafy flower designer booties with a step by step design. And border, greenish color, medium designer border. And see the pallu, got a very pretty one. It's in contrast color, rich in golden zari design. It's a diamond cut design. And here we have a contrast blouse that is in green color with border. And the item code is LV0966 and weaver's price is 6,990 rupees. Next saree. So here we have peacock green with purple color combination. Very different one compared to the previous one. See, it has got all over small golden zari booties and also micro golden zari booties as well. See, in the contrast border, it has a golden zari rich design with diamond cut design as well as floral design here. And wow, here we have a very beautiful pallu. So contrast color, glorious rich pallu, and here is the blouse, very pretty self waving resham booties blouse with designer border. And the item code is LV3271 and weaver's price is 10,950 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another saree. It's a dual shade saree. See, it's peach pink and also it has a purple color in combination. And see the design on the body, very impressive design. It has got golden zari design of flower booties. And the border, as I told you, these sarees have very beautiful borders here. See, it has got very unique design. It is in purple color. It's rich with silver zari design. And the pallu, blue color with silver zari rich design. And finally the blouse, here it's paired up with very beautiful blouse. It's blue color plain blouse with border. And the item code for this saree is LV2630 and weaver's price is 7,795 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another unique saree. It's in grey color, and see the design. It has got multicolor design on the body, all over peacock zari, peacock and rudraksha design, and also it has a Meena Kairi design, and the border, pleat border, and also here you see here it has a core contrast green color, gives a very stylish look. And see the pallu, very beautiful one in contrast color, and also it has flower design, see, looks pretty. And here we have a plain blouse for the saree, but it is in contrast color. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV2460 and weaver's price is 8,990 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have dark peach color saree. Very beautiful sarees with a very low price. See, here we have one with all over golden zari small flower booties design, and a contrast pretty border here, purple color golden zari kairi flower with plate border. And here is the pallu. It's in royal blue color, rich in golden zari design. And when it comes to the blouse of the saree, it has a impressive blouse here, see, it's a royal blue color self waving blouse with border. And the item code is LV2135 and weaver's price is 9,950 rupees only. Next saree. Wow, here we have a plain saree, it's pink orange color, and all over it has got a small golden zari booties. A close look you can see here. See, it's an open border with small zari lines piping border. Very soft and very beautiful saree. See, it has got a unique pallu here with multicolor checks pallu, and the blouse is also in multicolor here. It's a checks blouse. Very unique and elegant saree. Just go for this as it looks very beautiful. So the item code is LV2473 and weaver's price is 7,990 rupees. Next saree. Wow, here we have another beautiful one. It's in parrot green with navy blue color combination, very rare combination. And see the design, golden zari square booties all over the body, step by step, and border. It's a contrast one. It's a navy blue color, rich in golden zari design. See here, it has peacock design as well as plate design. And here is the pallu, golden zari rich pallu, and this saree has a plain blouse here in contrast color with border. And the item code is LV1130 and weaver's price is 10,950 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful blue color saree, and all over it has got leafy designer booties, and the border contrast one. It's in sea green color, and see the design. It has got very beautiful design, and the pallu, golden zari rich pallu, and finally the blouse. It has got very pretty one here. It's a sea green color self waving blouse with border. And the item code is LV3280 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees. Next saree. So here we have pink color saree. It's a divine color. And see, it has got all over golden zari rudraksha booties, very small booties, and golden zari designer border here in contrast color. And see the pallu, it's a fancy pallu, looks impressive, and it has an amazing blouse here that is in contrast color, and it's yellow, it's plain with border. And the item code is LV3259 and weaver's price is 7,990 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful one. See the color, looks great. It's off-white color and it has got all over plain body with rudraksha booties and also multi motifs in it. And see the border, self designer rich border. It has a peacock design as well in it. Here we have a self rich pallu. It has a diamond cut design, and finally the blouse. It has got a same color blouse and it's plain with border. And the item code is LV2475 and weaver's price is 9,950 rupees. So I'll repeat again, if you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is just take the screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 96966 99966. Next saree. So here we have another one. It's a sea green color. And all over it has got silver zari small flower booties, and see the border, it's amazing border, silver zari designer border, and the pallu contrast color rich in silver zari design, and the blouse is also in contrast color. See green color saree and the blouse is in green color. It's plain with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3256 and weaver's price is 10,950 rupees. Next saree. So here we have got another pretty one. It's in rose pink. Very beautiful color, isn't it? See the design on the body. It has got floral designer booties with silver zari and a pretty border here. In contrast, that is purple color, light purple color border, rich in silver zari design. And here it has a very attractive pallu. It's in royal blue color, rich in silver zari design. And the blouse is also in royal blue color here. See? But it's plain with border. And the item code is LV3273 and weaver's price is 7,995 rupees. Next saree. So here we have got another saree. It's magenta color and see all over it has got small flower booties, step by step design. And the border, orange color border, and see it has a diamond cut design as well as peacock design and pleat design as well. Very pretty one. And see the pallu, looks very ethnic with this lotus flower design. And the blouse finally here, orange color self weaving blouse with golden zari designer border. And the item code is LV3260 and weaver's price is 10,950 rupees only. Now let's take out next saree. So here we have a peacock blue color saree. See? And this saree has got all over golden zari drop and kairi booties. See? In the border, pretty one in green color with golden zari design. see the pallu, glorious rich pallu. And when it comes to the blouse of the saree, it has an impressive one here. See, it's in green color and it's plain with border. In the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3274 and weaver's price is 10,950 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful one. This is the last saree for today's live. And see, this is red with blue color combination, very beautiful combination. And all over the body, it has got golden zari designer booties and the plaid border here, and very pretty pallu. It's in contrast color, has a very beautiful design on it. Finally the blouse here, it's a contrast color plain blouse with border. So the item code is LV2648 and weaver's price is 9,950 rupees. So yeah, this is all about our collections today. If you have missed any of our live, don't worry, we'll be uploading all our live videos in our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram channel. Just go and watch there and grab your favorite sarees. So I'll be back with many more beautiful collections in our next live. Until then, take care, bye bye.